Okay, so with the Amazon Prime Week and me um, looking through the chargers, I found that these were on special. So I got this is the black one, and this is the white one. As you can see, the way it came, totally different format. It came on the same day, which was today. So I'm not sure if this is the older one or if this is the newer one, but this packaging definitely a lot nicer. And it is still the same. Its input is 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 18 watts to 40 watts it says. Output is 2.5 for the watch, 3 watts for the earbuds, and up to 10 watts for a cell phone it says. What it says is that you're not able to charge your Samsung watch, and that's true, because if you look at it, the magnet won't charge. Okay, however, if you put it on the earbuds, it'll charge, and it'll charge on the cell phone. Well, okay, my bad. It'll charge on this, but this, the earbuds will charge on both. But be careful with the wattage, of course, right? So use it at your own risk. This is not recommended for Samsung watches, it said. This is like a portable option. And if you wanted to use your phone in the mode, you just turn it around and it latches onto this corner end here, magnet. And you have a base where you can put your phone sideways. So far, I've just tested it for a couple seconds, so it's not a full official test, but it's working pretty nice. It's got the elevated base, so your phone will not be having any conflicts with the camera bump on your phone. But looks pretty elegant, pretty nice. It does feel cheap on the front top here. This silver-like plastic, but it doesn't move. That, it's got a good grip, so you won't worry about it sliding. Actually, I take that back. This black one has that rubber-like grip. This white one is more plasticky, so it still doesn't move, but this one feels more plastic. This one feels more like a rubber, so more higher quality feels to me. Okay, just a quick review of the Hicobar. And I saw a similar one, but the similar one that they were charging for a lot cheaper, like it was only up to 15 watts. So again, purchase at your own risk. But I do think it's a good purchase so far. And that's the format that you would use to carry it as a portable if you're traveling. Pretty good. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. So I just realized I forgot to show you the most important thing. Okay. So this is a iPhone 16 Pro Max, of course. Again, that camera bump might be an issue, but works just as well. Got a nice hefty grip, as you can see. And if you want it in that base format, yep, welcome to standby mode. Okay, So it works nice. Once you set it up, I like it. It shows you it's working and charging. Right there, charging. So everything works as it should.